Today we're looking at the ST225 75R15 10-Ply Radial trailer tire mounted on the black Mod 5 lug wheel. This tire is rated at 2,830 pounds. The PSI is 80 pounds. It's a load range E. The overall height of this tire is 28 inches and the width is 8 inches. It comes on the 5 lug wheel with the option of the 5 on 4.5 or the 5 on 5 bolt pattern. This wheel is E-coated, so it withstands saltwater, rust, corrosion a lot better than galvanized. It comes mounted, aired up, ready to install on your trailer, and it is a speed rating of M, which means it's rated for 81 miles per hour. And you can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thanks.